Ellie, take one. Sure,
I guess I always loved nature and loved trees, and I think people are the happiest when they're around trees. It's kind of a human connection, and we breathe cleaner air, and that's kind of a happiness thing, and people feel better. I have often said I should have the word freedom tattooed somewhere on me because I wanted to create my own life and my own business. And so I was able to do my personality into the Shaklee plan, and it's been an amazing life, and I thank goodness for it every day. We first met Roger in 2004 when he first came to Shaklee, and I asked him if he would be interested in hearing about a program where we could, as a company and as a community all over this country, plant trees for the 50th anniversary of Shaklee. When the answer came, yes, we're going to do it, I'll never forget that moment either. That was very exciting when he agreed to do that. And then we took it to the convention where it was talked about a lot, and then Wangari was there and she talked about it, and then it kicked off in the year 2006. After that, she went to see the United Nations on one of her many speeches that she was making as a Nobel Prize winner. And she went to the United Nations and said, you know what? If there's a little company up in California that can plant 1 million trees, what can you do in the United Nations? And someone raised their hand and said 4 billion. And now the number is 14.2 billion. Even in my wildest dreams, I could have never thought those things would happen, but they will do. That's kind of a thing that Dr. Shaklee believed. If you believe in something, believe you can make it happen, and you move forward because of your passion and your commitment, it can happen.